What's up? Welcome to Synth Alchemy. Today, I'm going to be using one of my original songs to create some samples using Udio, basically resampling my own music with AI. This is something that I think can help a lot of people overcome writer's block, or if you're having problems transitioning from one part of a song to the next part of a song, or if you just want to add some variation to your music to keep it interesting and exciting. This is a great method for you to help you do that. What I've done is I've taken this 16-bar loop, which is just a drop out of a song that I'm working on. This is not mixed well enough. I've got to do a lot more work there. It's not mastered. It's in a fairly early stage of production, but I'm going to go ahead and play the 16-bar clip here for you. Then I'm going to show you what I did in Udio, and then I'm going to show you the samples that I made. So here's the clip. It's really that transition there at the end of that, leading into the next part that I want to address. Okay, so over here in Udio, the way you do this is you go here to upload. I took that section, that 16-bar section here. Go through this process, confirm that you have the rights to use the clip. Okay, once you got the clip uploaded, I prefer manual mode because I know my genres pretty well. And I think for this one, yeah, I can actually look at the prompts here. So try to feed different genres. But the main things were heavy synthesizers, Grammy Award-winning composition, high-quality production, emotional, evocative, heavy. Once you have your track here, I was in ad section, instrumental, because I'm not looking for lyrics in this. I just wanted to find a unique event for the transition. And I was having better luck when I was bringing the prompt strength up higher. When it was lower, it was kind of rambling on other genres that I wasn't really trying to get. And always make it ultra. It's going to take longer, but obviously it's higher quality. When you're working with your own original music, you don't want to fuck around with any of this low quality stuff. These are the settings I used right here. And then I actually did a total of 60 generations. Most of them were shit. Even the ones that I did download or bring into the project were not good. I'll give you an example. Here's one right here. That's terrible. But with all of these generations from Udio here that I ended up using, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 out of 60. And honestly, I think I totally deleted 2 of these. But here's the samples that I did take out of it. This long one here would be great for an intro or for like a build-up, and I will probably use it for that. And then I got a bunch of other unique events here. Let's just take a listen. But if you're like me, you can hear there's a lot of useful stuff here, even just this little, like this right here. Super useful. In a lot of songs, as long as it's in key, you know. Here, this, that's useful. This right here. I think that's actually the one that I did end up using. So let's go ahead and go back over to the main project here. Unmute this. I dropped these samples into here, and I just completely cut out all the other instruments except for the vocals. And let's hear what this sounds like. I probably got a little more work to do to make it flow a little better, but I think you can see, if you're a music producer, how useful this is, how quick it can be for you to come up with samples that are in time and in key with your project, using your own original project as a seed for the generations. Whatever you think about AI, you're probably on Splice. If you don't like AI, a lot of the people are on Splice using samples that other people created, and they're getting copyright strikes for it. You're not going to get a copyright strike for this. This is now let's check that out to make sure. Audio uploads. Okay, here we go. With this audio upload feature, you can use all of our extension features with our Udio 32 model, extending forward and backwards to create a song up to 15 minutes long. Now, I'm pretty sure that they don't let you use that model when you're doing an extension. Yeah, it doesn't give you the option to use the 32 model, whatever they call it. Yep. No, I don't know why they said that. So yeah, you can't use the 2-minute model with your own uploads, unfortunately. And with your audio guiding tempo and mood, this brings your music exploration to a new level, complementing your favorite workflows and enabling creativity in new ways. Maybe you've got a great intro but don't know where to go next, or a full mix that's missing the perfect bridge. In both cases, Udio can provide inspiration. So there they say it's providing inspiration, which makes me wonder about who they think owns the rights to it. Finally, please note you must assert full usage and distribution rights over any audio you upload, and tracks generated with uploaded audio can't yet be published on Udio. I guess I'm not sure who they consider owns the output on that. That's a little different than I remember reading it. That concludes everything I wanted to go over for this video. I just wanted to give some ideas for my viewers out there on how to use AI in clever ways in your music production to speed up your ability to get a song done, essentially. But thank you very much for your time. I hope this was useful. Please like and subscribe. I hate asking, but it does help me out. And I look forward to sharing another video with you in the near future.